So got my laptop, got my backpack, got everything here, got my batteries, got my camera, my laptop, my jacket, and then that's everything. Yep, let's call it. So yeah, guys, I'm going down south. It's 2:42 a.m. in the morning. I've got an event to go to that I've been invited to, which I'm really excited for. So let's see how it goes. And by the way, it's really windy and I'm kind of cold. But let's do this little vlog. Just put my mic on now, and I've just parked up our services. It's what time is it? Let's see. It's 3:48 a.m. and I thought I'd park up, get like a coffee or something, and yeah, then hopefully make my way down. I've still got 2 hours 48 minutes to get to London. Yeah, once I get down there, I'll give you a bit of an update what it is that I'm doing. Back, got my coffee and got my boost bar, so this will keep me going for a bit, and yeah, let's see how the journey goes from here. Should be all right, but yeah, let's go for the drive. As a small creator, I've been invited by Logitech, which is a massive tech brand. You know, it's a massive company, tech company, and I got invited by them to come to this. It's like a masterclass of some sort, and like there's going to be a few other creators up there as well, and you know, we're going to be given the MX Master 4 mouse, and we're going to use that and learn how to edit with it and things like that. So I think it's, for me, I'm really excited that I've been invited to something like this. I wouldn't have expected to be invited to something like this, because you always see other creators that are like going to events like this and things like that, and you always think, oh wow, they've got, you know, quite a lot of followers and it's expected. But you know, me, like with my with the current subscribers and followers and things like that I've got, I didn't expect to be invited to something like this, but I did, and I'm really excited. So for that reason, I thought, you know what, why don't I just vlog the entire experience and make it into like a YouTube vlog of some sort. I've never vlogged before properly. I try to. I don't think I'm the best, but I guess vlogging is whatever you make of it, isn't it? So I thought I'm just gonna vlog the entire day. So I live in the UK and I live in the north of the UK. So for me to get to this event, which is in London, it takes me 3.5 hours. So I've been driving for, well, I've just had a break now, but I've been driving for nearly like 1.5 hours. So I've got another 2 hours 44 minutes to go, and just looking at my satellite navigation, and yeah, so it shouldn't, yeah, I mean, I like driving anywhere, and it's the first time that I'm driving somewhere where I'm going to spend the entire day and then I'm going to drive back. I'm excited to see how this event goes. I'm excited to see what happens at this event, and I'm excited to see the people that I meet and what I learn from the event as well. You know, at the moment it's a bit boring. All I'm doing is driving. I'm not really doing much, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have my chocolate, my McDonald's cappuccino, and that's it really, and nothing else. So I'll just be driving for another 2 hours 42 minutes now. Once I get to London, that's when I'll start filming the rest of the stuff. And by the way, it's gonna be a bit weird for me to vlog as well, because it's probably the first time I'm vlogging in public. And I get it, you shouldn't care what other people think and blah, blah, blah. But I just feel like nervous, and I feel like people are gonna watch me and they're gonna think, oh, what is he doing? Look at him, he's very cringy, he's holding a camera. But I'm gonna try to break away from that fear and just go with it. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna bore you with this driving bit now. So let me get to London and then we'll take it from there, yeah? Oh, and by the way, I've set this camera up. I think I've set the settings right on my A6700, and I'm filming an S-Log 3 as well. So hopefully the lighting should be on point, because there's hardly any light unless I put this on. But then it just looks a bit stupid if I just drive like this. I don't know. But let's see, in editing, I'll see what I can do. But yeah, forgive me if the lighting's really, really, really crap in this. So yeah. But anyway, we can keep driving and then I'll see you in London. So I finally made it to London, near St. Paul's Cathedral. So the event for Logitech is close by. I'm gonna be going around that way, hopefully, and then walk towards there. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Well, I had to have a bit of a break just to make sure that switch the 16mm to the 10mm. Now just making my way to the place. 10mm is nice and wide. I like it. Let me just adjust. Yeah, using a I haven't got full active stabilization on, but it seems okay at the moment. Yeah, let's see where we go. Really liking the wide angle on this lens. It's really good. Yeah. Obviously it's just a prime lens, so there's no zoom function on it. But let's see how it goes. Seems good. Still trying to find my way there. We'll hopefully get there soon. I think it's down here. 2 London Wall Place. I think it's down here. It says 2 London Wall Place. I think this is it. Let's give it a try. So yeah, I'm back driving back home on the motorway, and the weather's really bad. It's 8:12 p.m. UK time, and trying to drive back home in one piece back from London from the Logitech event. So the event went really well. I had a lot of fun. Obviously I was trying to vlog while I was going there and things like that, but I felt like it was only me vlogging there. So because of that, kind of didn't vlog when I was there, because I felt like I was out of place or something and whatnot. And because it's my first time vlogging, I don't know, I just didn't feel comfortable. So I took videos on my phone, took some pictures on my phone of what happened at the event, what I did. So I'll share them with you in this video. So yeah, overall, the event was amazing. Really loved it. Made some good connections, networked with a lot of people, got some really cool goodies from Logitech. It was mainly about the Logitech MX Master 4 mouse, the new one. The host was a person called Barry Craig. Showed us kind of like a masterclass on how to do Photoshop retouching of portrait photos. And it was really interesting because I like photography. I'm not really a portrait photographer, but I would like to get into it as well, and I have taken some portraits, but editing them, obviously I edit them the best way I can do it. Obviously Barry showed us a very professional way of doing retouching of the photos and how to deal with skin tones and exposure and things like that. It was really good. So the masterclass was really good, and obviously we used the MX Master 4. I got given one by Logitech. Super excited for using it. Such a sick mouse. I'm not getting paid to say this by them or anything like that. I genuinely like Logitech products anyway, particularly their mouse. So I've had the MX Master before, and now I've got the MX Master 4, and it's sick. So yeah, overall the masterclass was really good. Had fun learning new things, new ways of actually how to edit using the mouse and the haptic feedback and the new buttons and stuff like that. So that was the main thing. Obviously met a lot of creators. It was great for networking, got to know a few creators, really nice people. So I got to make a few new friends. It was really nice. I really liked the event, and you know, there was free food, there was a bit of games there, you know, we got given some goodies. I got the MX Master 4 and they engraved my name on it. Well, I chose my handle to be put on there, Shot by Sob, and yeah, they put that on there. I think that was really, really nice, and I think it's something where I will always remember that I went to this Logitech event, and you know, that mouse is now engraved. It's just something sentimental to me now, because even though being a small creator, I was able to get invited to something like this. It was nice to be part of that crowd. Yeah, overall the event was really good, and I think I made solid connections there as well. There's so many positives that I got from this, that I really enjoyed it. I know that I took time out to drive 4 hours to get to London, then you're there, you're at the event or whatever, the masterclass, and then now I'm driving back. It does take it out of you. I'm probably tired right now, but I just think it was worth it. It was worth it. And I think as a creator, you have to take time out to do these things, because you don't know what's gonna happen if you don't go. So, you know, if I didn't go, I wouldn't have got MX Master 4. I wouldn't have been able to connect with loads of new creators who share the same, you know, creativity as me, and you know, all those type of things. So I feel like, you know, I've made new conversations with people. Might be, you know, there's 1 or 2 guys that wanted to collaborate with me. So, you know, it just felt really nice being in that environment with the other creatives. The vlog didn't turn out like I thought it would in my head. So hence, that's why I made this video like this while I'm driving. I thought, you know what? I didn't make a proper vlog, but at least I'm making this now. But yeah, I'm gonna drive back home, get home safely, try to get this video edited as soon as possible and get it posted so that you guys can watch it. But whoever's watching this little weird vlog of mine, you know, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And if you've got any questions or anything like that, you know, drop it in the comments below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one.